Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into Dillard's credit card online. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search Dillard's credit card. Numerous websites will be presented. You need to click on this one, Dillard's credit card, login or apply. Now you will be led to this kind of interface, and at this left side you need to fill down your credentials, that is your user ID and your password. Now if you want to be remembered for the next time you log into your Dillard's account, then you can click on this option and they will be saving your user ID. Now in case if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can see the option retrieve user ID or reset password. You can click on that and they will be guiding you further to recover it. If you don't have your account, then you can simply click on get started and they will be guiding you to get your Dillard's account. Now in case if your credentials are ready, you can simply click on sign on and you will be successfully signed on or logged into your Dillard's credit card account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.